Hey everyone, and welcome on into another edition of This Crazy Kitchen. Lisa's already laughing at me, so I don't know what's happening, but I'm Tara Tescher, and this is...
I forgot to put my phone on Do Not Disturb.
This is Lisa Lasorte.
Oh,
Who's
my
calling?
gosh.
Hello.
Hi.
How
Hi,
are
Mom.
ya?
Hi,
Hey,
Mom.
we're making a super simple 3 milk dessert. I took Lisa's punchline. Tres leches. She goes, 3 milks. I go, 3 milks? And I'm like, oh, right. Yes. We are going to make an awesome, awesome dessert board, and it couldn't be easier.
Well, Alberti and I are going to watch.
Yes, you two really look like you're having a
Brother and
good
sister.
time. Has anybody told you how much you two look
I
alike?
know. Mm-hmm.
If you were to just put this right here, I mean, it's like twins. Twinning.
Well, if we put them in the middle, we're triplets.
Yeah. Woo! Okay, so where do we begin? Well, we're going to start with sweetened condensed milk.
Yum.
And do you know, and I did not really know this, that boiling it almost turns it into like a caramel sauce.
I did not know
and
that.
And so some people put it in like a slow cooker and let it cook for 10 hours. Some people will just boil it. We boiled it for 2 hours. Take the labels off. Yeah, oh, people got some time. 10 hours. Is there anything you want to do for 10 hours? Let's think about this.
I mean, that's why a slow cooker's
Spa
good.
day. No, I could never... 10 hours in the spa, I'd be like, I'm over it.
I wanna sleep.
We could sleep for 10 hours. That is a great idea, Lise. So you're in a pinch, you need a quick and easy dessert, and you can customize this, which I love. So, like I said, we did this for 2 hours. We boiled it. This is, I'm going to show you. I just wanted to show you what it's going to look like.
Yeah.
Because once you take it out, like the consistency is pretty amazing. And it's low cal, low sugar.
Yes. Low carb.
By the way, at this point, if you don't know by now, This Crazy Kitchen is not about anything low carb, low fat. Actually, no calorie left behind. Okay,
I like that.
That's our motto.
It's a good tagline.
So there, of course, is going to be the consistency, just like a caramel sauce.
Oh, it's
thin. Super thin, super thin. So do you want to make it easier? You can go ahead and put it in a piping bag, and then you can pipe this. I didn't. Mine's on Do Not Disturb.
Sorry.
Excuse me. I can't work under these conditions. I do as I'm told.
I'm watching things come up.
I have it on Do Not Disturb.
You do.
It's not making any noise.
No, it's not.
Anyway, put it in a piping bag. One of my favorite things to do. And then grab your favorite platter. In this case, we're using this beautiful woodland leaf-shaped platter.
Love.
That's available. Or also, you could do it on a wood board.
Sure.
Anything that you want to serve on. Anything that you have. And then you could just have some fun piping. I like to give the bag like a few twists so that it's easier to get it to come out. But look how fun this is.
This is like arts and crafts. Like,
what do you mean? What do you mean? This is way up your alley.
Wait, and you can just do it. There is no right or wrong.
No, there's absolutely. You have to follow the direction. No right or wrong.
Look how pretty it is when it comes.
Isn't
we'll
it?
show it
Well, because of the tip, right? Because we're using this awesome tip.
Yes.
So you can have fun, and the reason why I'm kind of strategically placing it is because then I want to layer in some of the things that I want you to dip in it, right? So now you have the candies there, and you can dip. So it's like a charcuterie board meets a dessert board meets heaven.
This is fun.
Heaven. So fun, right?
Yes.
What else do you want to layer in here? You want to put this big bowl in here?
I do.
Put this big bowl in here, and then we can layer around it.
You could do
Tell me.
You could do a Christmas tree shape. I'm being serious. You could do some really cute
I
stuff.
wasn't disputing it.
Like,
I mean, I think you're
see
brilliant.
how I was ready? Like, I'm being serious.
I'm serious, okay? Normally, I'm just making things up, but right now, Lisa's being serious.
I am being serious.
So,
this is
look how
fun.
Now, obviously, you could put apple slices in there. You could do all sorts of things, but we just, I'll move this. We just layered that beautiful tres leches around. And then, here's the best part. You ready, Lise?
Yes.
What's your weapon of choice?
I'm
going shortbread cookie. I'm dipping.
This.
Look at this. Everybody can help
This
themselves.
looks delicious.
I love you.
Seriously. Plus,
It's already got chocolate on it, and she's going to dip it.
I'm starving. I haven't eaten anything yet today.
You deserve a sweet.
I do.
You do.
I do.
Sweet for the sweets. By the way, shortbread cookies. Remember that in Ted Lasso? The cookies. Anytime I eat a shortbread cookie, guys watch Ted Lasso?
Well,
What happened?
I did this. Look, the peppermint's coming up. Sorry.
Right back at you, okay? Oh, I meant to put on my gloves because I didn't want sticky fingers, but just so you know, they were here. Too late now, they're sticky. There's no way I'm getting them in there.
How much I like tres leches.
And it's so easy to do. 10 hours or 2 hours? What are you picking?
10 hours in a slow cooker.
Okay, I get it.
I am. Because you don't have to watch it.
Exactly. You don't even have to think about it. Then you're going to pipe it?
You could do it on a board. You could do it on a, like, you do this big or small. That's the fun part.
Love.
And do it with the kids. How much fun to give them. And then those sprinkles over there, can we sprinkle that stuff on here? That's fun.
She's so bossy. Jeez. Now it's her candy board. Fine. I thought it was my dessert board. Anything else? Anything else?
Not everywhere.
No, I'm going to put it everywhere. Anywhere? Anything else? What else can I get for you? Some mini marshmallows? Yeah, sure. I'll be right back. I'm going to the grocery store. I'll be right back. No, all kidding aside, you can have so much fun with this and customize it. But try it. And these boards are fantastic. So it's nice that everybody can kind of help themselves. And this is like delish, you guys. Like, hello. Lisa's even continuing to. Are you double dipping? I double dipped the whole time.
I did.
I am a double dipper. With, you know, close friends and family. Complete strangers, I probably would still double dip.
No, you wouldn't.
All right, you guys. Well, this was a super simple, super delicious episode of. Okay, how'd I do? How'd I do? Did I get the job?
Birdie, what do you think?
Did I get the job? Do you want to try? Do you want to double dip Lisa's pretzel? All right, you guys. Tune in next time. Same bat time, same bat place, same bat number.
Number?
You have to just keep up with us because this is just an ongoing joke. But we will see you next time with another fun edition of This Crazy Kitchen. Bye.